Wow. We have an artist amongst us. That is amazing, Nora. I mean, and look at the other face. This is fabulous. She is gorgeous. She looks like Mommy with the dark hair, black hair.
No.
Is it Mommy? No.
No.
This is Nora's paint studio.
This
right
is
here.
me right here.
As you? Mm-hmm.
And now I'm going to just... Okay, guys. Hi. My name is Nora, and I'm back here painting. And I'm going to paint today an apple. Okay, ready to see my apple I'm going to paint? First, I'll get a little bit of water. Put it on my red. Need a little bit of red. And now, let's make it. The red. Now, guys, I got some water and I'm going to put it back on. Now I need some green. First I need water and put it on the green. And then I'm going to put, where's my apple? Here it is. Okay guys, here's my apple.
Awesome.
Now guys, I am going to make a girl. And that's me. And I am going to make I got black. And now I just need to put on the piece of paper. I got the little eyes and stuff. A lot of have to get now some more black, and now put it. And this is the eyes. Now I'm just gonna use some brown because brown's a nice color. And I don't think it is pretty bright on. Here's my eyes and stuff. Now I'm just going to do a smile. Going to get my mommy's lips. And now some. Now guys, last I have to do the nose and the body and stuff. So, my mommy, I'm going to make a black body for her. Here's the black body. Now guys, I am going to put on the shirt. First I'm going to give her the brown hair because she has brown hair. So guys, I made one of the curls. Now I'm going to make the other curl. Guys, now I made the hair. Now, I need the nose. I'm going to get a black nose. Oops, I got her lips. I have to get a little bit more red for her lips. Okay guys, now we need some orange. We need to get some of this. Put it on the orange. Put it on the orange. And put it on her orange shirt. Now we need to put some this part on. Okay guys, have a nice day. Bye guys. I'll see you on my next channel tomorrow.